This is a Pro Cut model Cage MG32 mixer grinder. It's never been in production. Step back and get a better video of it. There we go. KMG32, 220 volt, 3-phase power. And we're going to go ahead and run it. Go ahead and hit the mixer button. Probably can't see it. Yeah, you can see it. Okay, go ahead and stop it. Let's hit the grinder function. It's got a delay in it, so there we go. So you see the auger and the paddle going the opposite direction now, so it's feeding product to the auger.
Yeah, and the
Okay.
buttons are brand new, so they could just be a little sticky still.
Yeah, I think it's a delay that's mentioned in the manual. Okay, so I'm going to open the top and I'm going to bypass the safety. Go ahead and open that top. You got to bump that corner. There we go. I'm going to bypass the safety. Don't try this at home. Just to show the interior works. Go ahead and start it.
Here's mix.